Hello guys, this is TH here. Sorry about that. Hello guys, this is TH and welcome to another pack opening. Now this pack opening is going to be the same as last time, but hopefully this time we'll get something better. I've stopped in my road to inform for this. I'll still have a bit of coins left over at the end. Hopefully I'll get something decent. I've done the coin transferring methods which I found myself just now, so I can get all these coins. I'm not going to be getting the special packs. Okay, let's go for it. Going straight away because I've done this before. It's not as intense, but it's not exactly the best player to have. Come on, this time be a good pack. Come on. Not even in inform. Wow. Oh, you're a bunch of cheapskates. What the hell? Position modifier, Real Madrid kit. Nah, shocking. Honestly, absolutely shocking. What? 89 pace? You can't shoot, you can hardly dribble, you can hardly pass, but still. 89 pace, that's decent. Alright player. Do you know what? I'm gonna store these. Store these three, because they're alright. These are alright. I'll just... And the contracts, because I'm gonna need them. But the rest of them, I might as well just put away. In fact, I'm transferring these. Putting them up. Well, actually, 304. For all the rest. Like selling one player. Position modifier. Quick sell the rest. Yeah. Screw it. Alright. Don't need the position modifier. Okay, that was the very quick pack opening. It had to be quick because I've got to go now to school. So thank you guys for watching my pack opening. Very lame reaction, I know. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh, I don't need them now. Oh, I don't even need them anymore. I don't need them. Do you know what? Okay guys, before I finish off this video, I need to quick sell them all. So I had to quick sell almost my entire pack. I need to quick sell it. So I don't need them with my team that I've got. So I've got loads of really good players. I can increase his shots by 15. Can I sell him? Also, I need to have a look, see if I can sell him. No, I can't sell him, so yeah. Now quickly apply constable. Shall I? No. Alright, yeah guys, I'm going to end it there now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.